This is the 2016 Forest River Charleston. We'll start off at the front here. Beautiful cabinet work. Seating here is flex steel. As we look on into the coach, your booth dinette folds down into a bed, and across here you have your couch. Lots of counter space, dishwasher, microwave. We'll come around here for the TV and the fireplace, and again you have sofa bed. We'll pull out, and then going on back, residential refrigerator, very nice. Stack washer dryer, and the all important bunks. These bunks do have drop down DVD players, and this top bunk can be folded up, so you can use this as an extra closet. Here's your bathroom. Nice size shower. We'll go back in to the bedroom. Nice king bed. Lots of storage space. Back in here you have cedar lined as a safe. Some shoe holders. And again, lots of deep closets, storage space. We'll come across here, and you have counter space here and your TV. And we'll turn around, and then we'll see the coach from the back. Very, very nice coach. Has all the sleeping that you require. Again, looking around, beautiful coach. The conveniences on the outside, beautiful paint job. Full pass-through storage, lots of storage space here. tag axle. Come around to the back. I have your 450 horsepower. Your water bay. Again, this is a very nice coach, beautiful colour, frameless windows, generator up front here.